Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 2 and congratulations on completing week 1. I know there were a lot of different discussions in week 1 and I appreciate your posts and responses. If you have not responded to each post, please make sure to do so in the next few days so you get points for the responses. You do have to respond twice to each post, but we will not have that many discussions in the next few weeks. So one thing I wanted to highlight about what I saw in the discussions last week is there was a strong focus on agile testing iteratively and also adapting, which is absolutely part of agile. But I didn't see a lot of teams mention, or sorry, a lot of people mention what it means to work as a team and the individual interactions. That is also a critical part of the agile process and how this particular style of project management works. So make sure that you keep that agile manifesto handy. You might want to bookmark it, and also the 12 agile principles, because we're going to start talking about how agile is implemented. But at the end of the day, as long as you are adhering to those 4 tenets and the 12 principles, you are being agile. There are a lot of different ways to implement agile. We'll talk about some of them, but at the end of the day, that's really what's important. And that's going to feed into your group project. So first off, you are all in the same group. We have a whopping 4 people in this class, so you're going to be in one group. And so whoever you see on the session or in the class is part of your group. You should be able to see that in your group assignment, which I think is 4th or 5th on the list in this week. So all 4 of you are in one group. You are going to want to try to meet as a team to kick off the project. And what you need in this course proposal is literally a vision statement and how you're going to meet as a team. I don't necessarily need to know all of their features and functions and cool stuff that you think your product's going to do. I just need to see the vision, and I need to see how you plan to meet as a group. What software you're going to use to collaborate? How are you going to handle the daily stand-ups, which we don't make you meet every day, but how are you going to handle the virtual stand-ups? And things of that nature. So you're also going to want to have some working agreements. So make sure you pay attention to the working agreement resource in the week's resources page as well. Okay. So the project itself, what I'm really looking for in this project is the process that you're using to get there. So in 8 weeks, you're not going to be able to create a brand new software, a brand new product. And I wouldn't expect you to. Many of you are not developers. That isn't what we want. But I want you to get to a place where you're demonstrating what the product can do, not necessarily describing it. So I'm not really looking for a PowerPoint here. I'm looking for maybe a picture of a prototype, a diagram of a prototype. Try to get creative in that working software, that working product, as opposed to, well, this is this cool thing that we recommend be built. See if you can figure out how to build it. So I know that's challenging, and this is the first time we're running this course, so I'm very open to feedback. I will have office hours this week at the regular time, Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. But again, feel free to reach out to me if you want to meet. I am here for you. I will work around your schedule, and we'll find a time that works for you. If you have any questions, again, you can reach out to me via email or meet during office hours. And I look forward to what you have to say in week 2.